Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Freshsales for automated follow-ups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Freshsales for automated follow-ups, first, log in to your Freshsales account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. Click on Automation from the settings menu. In the Automation section, you will see various options for managing your workflows. Select Workflows to create a new automated follow-up process. Click on the New Workflow button to start setting up your automated follow-up. Choose a name for your workflow that reflects its purpose. Next, select the trigger for your workflow. You might want to choose an event, such as when a deal is created or when a contact is added. After selecting your trigger, proceed to define the criteria for the follow-up. Specify conditions that must be met for the workflow to activate, such as the deal stage or contact status. Once the criteria are set, click on Add Action to define what the automated follow-up will do. Select Send Email to automate sending follow-up emails to your contacts. You will then have the option to compose the email that will be sent. Make sure to personalize the email with the contact's name and relevant information. After crafting your email, decide the timing for when it will be sent. You can choose to send it immediately or set a delay based on your preference. After setting the timing, review your workflow configuration for accuracy. If everything is in order, click Save to create your automated follow-up workflow. Finally, you can test the workflow to ensure it functions as expected. Monitor your follow-up emails and interactions to evaluate the success of your automated process. Now you are ready to maximize your engagement using Freshsales for automated follow-ups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.